a shopkeeper buys his goods at a certain price. He usually sells them at 30% above the price he bought it for. During a sale, he gave a $15 discount off the selling price. If he received $128, what was the original price of the goods? So this one we have to reverse everything that he did to find out what was the original price. So original price will always be 100%. So when he sell them 30% above the original price, he was selling it at 130% of the original price. How I get 130%? Above means more, right? So I just take 100% plus 30%. It gives you 130%. Then during a sale, he gave a $15 off the selling price. So selling price was 130%. After that, he gave a discount, $15 discount. Means the person had to pay less. So after that, the person paid $15 less. And how much did the person pay? The person paid $128 in the end. So to reverse everything, since here you minus, to reverse you plus 15. So that should give you 143. 143 was the selling price, which was 130% of the original price. So 130% was $143. So what you want to do is you want to find out what 100% is. So to find out what 100% is, since you don't have a calculator, you just want to divide it by 13. So you want to find out what 10% is. So from here to here, you divide it by 13. From here to here, you divide it by 13. So what's 143 divided by 13? So here will be 1 minus 13. You get back 13. For another 1 minus 13, 0. So 10% is $11. To find 100%, you simply times 10, both sides. Sorry, there's no percent sign here. So it'll just be 11 times 10. It should give you 110. And hence answer is option 4.